back to another episode of Jarring Science for Kids. Today we're going to be making frost in a jar. Here's what you'll need for this experiment. Some salt, a jar full of ice, a jar lid, a fork or spoon, some blue food coloring, and a little bit of water. First you're going to dye this water a little bit blue. This is just so that the frost is easier to see. Give that a little stir. Take your jar of ice and we'll add a little bit of salt. Adding the salt is going to lower the freezing temperature of the water so that the condensation that's forming on the outside freezes. The more salt you add, the faster this process will go, so I like to use a lot. This salted ice trick is also how you freeze ice cream if you've ever made ice cream. Pour a bit of your blue water in the jar. Just a little bit, you don't want too much. Put on your lid. Give it a nice shake. If your water is too soupy, you can add a bit more ice. Now watch as the condensation turns to ice and frost right before your eyes. Today you created frost on the outside of a jar. Here's the science. Salt can lower the melting point of ice. When this happens, water vapor around your jar falls below freezing. When water vapor freezes, frost forms. That's why on really cold days, sometimes you'll see ice crystals on your window. The jar that you didn't put salt in, because you didn't have the addition of the salt lowers the freezing point of ice. So when you add ice to a jar without salt, the water vapor can only form condensation and cannot form ice crystals. That's it for today. See you next time.